Sociology is the study of the development, structure, and functioning of human society. Now, if you want to be a sociology professor, there's a bright outlook, which means there's many jobs available at many different universities around the world. The money you'll make being a sociology professor can range from around $70,000 to upwards of $100,000, but the median usually falls around $92,000.
The interests and personalities that would be good for this occupation: somebody who's patient and caring. Can't have anybody who is impatient teaching a class of 200 students. The skills you would need to get a job in this career is management and patience. The gradings you would have to do, the questions you get all the time, it requires a lot, and I'm pretty sure it will drain a lot from somebody normal. Responsibilities for this career would have to be lesson planning, because Lord knows lesson planning takes time. Got to come up with what you want to talk about, what you want to show. If you're into like videos and stuff, what type of videos you want to select. Another responsibility for this is keeping conversations. You can't be a boring teacher. Students will probably fall asleep during your lectures and you'll end up failing them. That's not cool. And grading. You have, well, not necessarily saying you have to have the most perfect grading system in the world, but being fair is dank, right?
Being a sociology professor, then a master's degree would be like the minimum, but something more acceptable and would make you stand out more is a PhD. And if you want to gain experience in being a sociology professor, then you could be a TA for one of your teachers and get more experience in being a teacher.